welcome to my channel. Today it's Saturday, the 19th of May, and we are shopping for fabric for our wedding dresses. As the bridesmaids, everybody is here, so I'm just gonna take you through.
Something I don't really feel, but you knew that already. When I found you on the ground, you were dying. Now you come into my yard uninvited. Come you see me on the edge, I'm enlightened. If the world was end, would you find or would you try to get it? Tell me now, but I want you to be there, yeah. Tell me now, I need you to be there, yeah. Time on a rewind, yeah. Help me understand, can you tell me now why you made a war that we're fighting now? And you fall and you run when you see my big guns. Run around, run away as a rebel comes out. Then you call on me, when you call me I come, but then you go again. With your death, yeah. Open your mind to the sound of the trumpet. What do you want from the last part of the hopeless? The noise and you feel things. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turning back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Call my name. Fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you.
Let's go. Ari, yeah. Now again. Let's go. Hi, my mates. Hello. We just finished buying the material. We're going to take measurements now, where we're gonna meet the rest of the ladies. Bye. I have a vision.
The mission has started.
Hey, at the end. From the back.
Hi. Hello. Now we are going to do the measurement. Yes.
Bibi, flower girl.
No gaining, no slimming after this.
Maintaining.
And you told us.
friends! My friends!
Beautiful.
Oh, my friends!
I want to let them know when Dennis are waiting, guys.
Hey, I'm missing him.
I'll get it to Ujela.
Why you run like a summer? I don't happy. I don't even know if Kidia Jonah. What's the cat? I'm tired. Kopana le bana ba bangwe tlhakana tlhogo. We're excited. Ke tlo mo dira mapone.
What do you mean?
Good morning, my maid. What? So today is the 8th of July, and basically what we're gonna do, I just took a bath, so I still have residue of lotion, sunscreen. I just put on sunscreen. What we're basically gonna do today is we're going to dress fitting for our bridesmaid dresses, and we're going to go, what's this, dress shopping for my sister as the bride. We're going to a few boutiques, then she's going to look around if there's something that she loves. Are you guys good? I hope you guys are good. I'm so excited. I'm so happy. I'm so happy for my sister. I'm so happy for everyone. Such a gracious and beautiful thing, and a beautiful experience also for me. I don't know about her, but child, I'll be having fun. Okay, exactly. So let me not ramble too much, my mates. I will give you an update as the day progresses. Okay, I love you. Bye.
Hi guys, how do you feel being on the panel? It's so much fun, eh? It's so nice, but it's so much pressure, eh? Eish, you don't know which one to decide on. Yeah, it's a very hard, difficult job. It's very hard.
Look, the top fits perfectly.
Like a glove. Oh, okay. Difficult.
This is pretty, isn't it?
Too much. Just again, topel, ki topel no yaber. It's another one. Wanyana. Oh, I like it. Patong. Yes.
It's got this little liveliness to it.
Reveal. Surprise. Wow. Wow. The perfect dress. Wow. Nah.
like just a bell.
Yeah. Oh. Cho. Patong. Eng.
It's not number 4.
Hey. Ding 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 ding. Moody tile buxilala. Oh, this is the busbilla masupatilla. Na di kajala kadi. Na di kapella kadi buse tambora. Sure, mchana. Yeah, that's in me. Seriously, don't like you. Get you a little goosebumps. Patungwena. Cho. Mates, so now we're at the second location. We're going to Bride & Co. to do more fittings. We are at this mall. I forgot the name, but it's somewhere in the east. So yeah, come with us to do second fitting. Here's the panel, the judging panel, the bride.
Yes. Second location.
More
confusion.
More drama. Dramas. This lighting is amazing.
Oh, sugar, when you're close to me, you love me right down to my knees. And whenever you let me hit it, sweet like honey when it comes to me. Skin is caramel with the cocoa eyes. Even got a big sister by the name of Chocolate. Brown sugar, babe. I get high off of love, don't know how to behave.
Down there, that's Bride & Co range for a simple J, for somebody who just loves simplicity. On that corner there, tags, that's for discounted dresses. Then behind here, silver hangers, that's Oli Kassim, who's one of our top designers. It's a combination of Viola Chen and Bride & Co. Then these ones here, there are sample dresses. I'm still trying them out for our brides. We have them in stocks and sold in our
Yo. Yo. Rivonelli cute, mchana.
It's nice with detail.
Hey, rata. Yo. Oh, nice. Hey.
Oh, that's why we maybe that's why
Yo, NG. Patung.
Ke mmereko wa lena. O bona ka le ruta ke. So skirt se ke also o na ngomanya le yena. O tla ba
Batho wena. Ay ralla wena. Yo mchana.
Okay, Makoti, are you saying yes to the dress? Yeah.
Okay, but I'm thinking.
Yeah. Hey. I'll solo the girl.
I can see already, mate.
YouTube channel.
Hey.
Hi, girl.
No, you tell me. It's perfect.
Fitting's done. Hi, my mate. The lighting is good here. We're done with the fittings. The dress looks beautiful, amazing. Everything is beautiful. How do you feel about your dress, Mamol?
Am I the Makoti or what? I don't know.
It's so beautiful. Like Hey Z, how do you feel about your dress? Tell the people.
I literally love my dress.
Yes.
Hi, subscribers.
Hi.
Guys, I made a mistake. Hi, mates.
Let me ask them how they feel about their dresses. So we have the maid of honor here. Tell us how you feel about your dress.
What's going on?
Tell us how you feel about your dress. Yeah. Wait.
I'm very much happy.
Yes. Everything is
I'm
to do.
obsessed with the dress.
Okay. How do you feel about your dress?
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. Yes. Everyone is happy. Oh, we so yeah, guys, everyone is happy with their dresses. Yeah, we're just gonna go home. We're gonna meet again for the second fitting. Everything is great. Bye. Good morning, my mates. Today is the 9th of September, and I was in Limpopo for like a week with my grandparents. And yeah, so me and my uncle came today in the morning. We literally woke up at 4:30 in the morning so that I can make it to my sister's rehearsal wedding rehearsal. So yeah, I'm gonna go there, and then we're gonna go for our final fitting, and then after the final fitting we're going to have a braai, and then we're going to practice step, and then we're gonna like mingle with the groomsmen. So everybody's gonna be there. I'm so excited. I will see you guys when I get there. I am literally so exhausted, my mates. I've been awake from 4:30, so my energy levels down, baby. But I will see you guys when I get there. Let's go. Wow,
That's my bro, my family. When it comes to money, I get choreographer number 2. It's different.
Z. Ugarwa so. Ay. Ala tulugel. Unchaka matons. Ay, Jessa. Tsala gel. Ay. Jo. Baka sukutsive man. Ay. Alala. Hey. Oh, yo.
One, two.
Yes. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Yes, Z. John. Yeah, kiss on a Z. 1, 2, 1.
Where's that? Let's leave it. Then again. Are we here? Me just going to it.
Mazi, wanyana wa.
Did you do 4 times?
Good morning, guys. Yo, I sound so rusty. I'm so sorry. Can I lead the flu symptoms, Nyana, but I'm dealing with them because ain't nobody got time for that. Today's the 27th of September, and I just came to Deep Sloot to do my nails. I came to my mom's technician because I couldn't do my nails back in Porch because I didn't have time. So, and I was very skeptical of coming to my mom's nail tech because my mom, you know. But anyway, she actually did a pretty good job. Like, I'm happy. Like, it's so pretty. Period. Bridesmaid, who's this? Guys, Bridesmaid. Just in case you guys didn't know. But I don't think I've mentioned it. Have I? No, I haven't. But I think you will see from the content, yeah, that I am a bridesmaid. Anyway, yeah, my mates, I came to do my nails today, and then tomorrow I'm gonna do my hair. Tomorrow is Thursday. So yeah, I'm so excited, but I just want this flu to wrap it up because anybody got time for that, child. Anybody got time for that? And guys, lipstick, let me tell you, Machi gave me this lipstick, right? It's a Revlon super lustrous lip gloss. It's not gonna show properly because of the camera setting that I have. And then some girl decided to take it because she liked it, right? So today when I came to her workplace, I was like, can I please have lip stuff? Translation. Then she gave me this, and I was like, I'm taking it back because it belongs to me. But get her back if I feel like it. If I don't, I'm not gonna give it to her because get my back. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, my mates. Today is the 28th of September, and I'm gonna do my hair. I am slowly feeling better. The flu symptoms are manageable, so I'm just tired and drowsy because I just took medication, you know, and I've been awake since 6. Why? I don't know. So yeah, I'm going to bolt and go do my hair. I'm so sleepy, like I can't nap, but I can't because I have things to do. Places to be, people to see. I will catch you guys later. Bye. My mates, we are at the rental plaza right now looking for suits for my little brothers, my dad, and my mom is also looking for an outfit. And I'm also looking for heels. So luckily we got for them, for Shotakana and my mom and my other brother, because we couldn't get the correct size. So we're gonna go and check somewhere else, and hopefully we will lucky because wowzers. Can't be stressed. Bye.
I begin to